So this will be a simple tutorial on how to change colors in Adobe Photoshop. If you're looking to change the color of the entire PNG, JPEG, or whatever you would load it into Photoshop, all you would have to do is go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and then use this bar to change all the hues. When it comes to the face texture that I'm using right here, however, you wouldn't want to change the hue of the entire PNG, because then your skin texture would look some sort of crazy color. So, the way you can fix this is by selecting the parts that you want to change. The easiest way that I have found to select certain things in any given PNG or JPEG would be the Quick Selection tool. If you have any sort of objects with hard lines around it, the Quick Selection tool is the way to go. All you have to do is use your mouse to select. Normally it will snap to the shape. And if you wanted to select more than just one area, you hold down Shift and then do the same thing on this side. If there are parts that you have missed or parts that you want to add, then there are some options up here. I want to add a little bit right here. There we go. And right here. Perfect. And then the next thing that you do when you have your area selected is you do the same thing as before. You go to Hue Saturation, and now it just changes the hue of the selected area. To deselect, all you have to do is Control D. There's lots of different adjustments that you can do, such as brightness and contrast. You can change levels, you can change curves, for example, like that. Changes a lot of different things about it, including saturation and light. And then when you're finished, make sure to save as a PNG file. This will keep the transparency. And that is a basic way to change colors in Photoshop.